Hopefully you guys can see this. Yeah. So, put your garbage away. What we're doing is what I like to do. I mean, we're installing these beautiful Fox shocks on the Viking, on my Viking, and I want to just protect them, right? So what I'm doing, like I run like race boots or whatever you want to call them on my RC cars, right? So I'm doing the similar thing, and it's gonna, like, I'm gonna put clamps on here afterwards, but you know, for the time being I'm not, because I want to install them and see how the clamps are gonna be in the way or not in the way, or anyway. So I just want to keep them nice, and I want to keep the debris out, right? So what I did is, this is a heavy duty, right, inner tube for like a tractor. This size is 16 by 6.5 or 6.5 by 8. Okay, so I got 4 of them, right? What the heck is this gonna do? This is an off-road machine, right? So, and with it being such, it's gonna go, it does go through mud, right? And grime and all this stuff, right? Like, I don't know if you can kind of see that, right? So, want to protect it, you know, and then it keeps your seals a lot better, right? Safer, so there's no grime going up in your seals, and then, you know, creating premature leakage and stuff like that. Like, this is just little things that you should do, you know. Just definitely protect your shocks, you know, if you're running in rougher terrain. There we go. So then what you do, right? You always want to feed it down, for sure, right? I'm even just using the back of the Viking, if you can believe it. Okay, don't need to put any lube or anything on there. I think these are like, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks or something like that. Okay, so go a little bit past, right? And the reason being is you're gonna fold over on yourself. Okay, just like so. That'll be good enough. And then I'll put the clamp, I'll put the clamp under here, under there, and then that'll be good. And yeah, on the bumpy stuff at higher speeds, so it's not so lumber wangity anymore. That's a very good upgrade. So it's worth it, 100%. Yeah, cool. So that's why I did that, right? So just to keep it, you know, keep it all out of dirt and grime. Then we wash it off. Because like, look how much shit's already on there, right? That's just from like 1 or 2 goes. I don't know if light is of the essence. There's a lot of grass and shit, murky stuff. And well, you seen what I wasn't willing to go through today. If I didn't have all my camera gear, I would have done it, but no need to, right? So yeah, anyway.